Why are you naked riding the horse? Man, and that's how we're gonna start the vlog this morning. Workout is just finished. I feel accomplished, I feel determined. The workout was good this morning. I decided to do some lifting because I haven't lifted last week, so I decided to put the lifting in this morning, and that was good. So on that note, I hope you guys get your workout in. Stay determined, stay encouraged, just do it. Every bit counts. You don't have to worry about going to the gym. Bring the gym to you. You don't have to worry about running, skip. You don't have to worry about skipping, jump. Use what you have. Utilize what's around you. If you're a mom that is staying at home and you worry about the kids, put the kids in front of the TV. Give them something that they love. Give them something that distracts them. Put them in a safe place and get your workout done. If it means that you have to work out beside them, do it. Just do it. Stop complaining. Stop saying you can't, because just do it. There's always a way. Improvise, incorporate, just do something. Alright, get your workout in. I'm about to go jump in the shower and look after Tyler. Baby's off to work. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever time of the day you guys is watching this, you don't have to be the morning to work out. It don't have to be afternoon. Just do something. It doesn't really matter what time of day. Tyler is screaming, which means he's ready to get about his chair. Good timing. He's always a good sport. So let's go. So I'm just gonna make Tyler some fruits real quick before I jump into the shower, because I woke up so late this morning for workout. When I jump up, it was, and look at the clock, it was already 8:40. I was like, oh my gosh. At that time I would be well into my morning run, but if I follow my mind, I wouldn't have done my workout until this afternoon. But here you go. What do you say? You're welcome. Go on. Go on. Go. Go, baby. Why are you walking like that? Go. Go and have your fruits. Mommy's gonna take a shower, okay? He's so funny. I'm about to go give this one a little bath so you can go take your nap, right? Ready for a nap? Yeah? You ready for a nap? So why are you closing your eyes like that? You ready for a nap? I'm not gonna wash your hair. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. See? It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna wash your hair. Not today, though. But another day. You silly. You think you can trick me? Ah, You try to trick me. You try to trick me. You try to trick me. You try to trick me because you don't want me to wash your hair. Stop doing that. You try to trick me with screaming. Mama, you mama. I don't want to wash my hair. You, silly boy. No. No. Bye. Bye-bye. Nap. Sleep. Oh, baby. He's such a sweet boy. I'm sure he's going to nap for about 2 hours, which means I need to go make some lunch right now. I'm just gonna throw all of this shrimp in. Let this saute for about 3 minutes and lunch should be ready. Okay, my shrimp is ready. Just the way I like them. And I'm just gonna pour this right on top of my lettuce. Right here. That looks so good. Lunch looks huge today. That looks like heaven right now, you guys. And that's lunch. Lunch is ready. And I'm gonna have this and get some work done before Tyler wakes up. So it's about to go down. Comment below and tell me what you guys are having for lunch today, because I'm about to go in on this shrimp and vegetables. Oh, and on that note, one of my very faithful subscribers, Kizzy, asked me to do a specific word in Jamaican today. So on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is fiesty. It means to not have any manners, but Jamaicans don't say it feisty, we say fiesty. Fiesty in English mean feisty. Jamaicans, we put a spin on every English word, okay? That's how our patois becomes. So the Jamaican word for today is fiesty. Make sure you get it. To get it, make sure you get it. This one today is not so hard, but it was her request, so there you have it. That's the Jamaican expression for today. Make sure you get it. Yeah. Why did you do that? Tyler? Tyler, why did you do that? Tyler, get down and take up all of them now. Take up all of them and put them back where you got them. Please and thank you. Now. All of them. Thank you. Good boy. All of them. Every single one. Take them up and put them back. Thank you. You have some more. All of them. All of them. Put them back. Come on. All of them. Yes, thank you. Put it back. Yes. Thank you. 3 more to go. Come on. Good boy. Good job. Come, take up the others. Take up the others. All of them. Come on, go on. Put it back in the couch. Good boy. 2 more. Come on, take up the other 2. This one. Good boy. Put it back. Thank you. 1 more. Put it back in the couch, please. Thank you. Be a good boy. Thank you. Yes. Right. Good job. 1 more. 1 more behind you. 1 more behind you. Go and pick up the white one.
Put it back in the couch. Put it in the couch where you got it. Good boy. And you don't do that again, okay? Right? Come and give Mama a high five. High five to not doing it again. Good job. Good job. It's a horse. Bravo. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Bravo. Where does that one go? Yay! Hey, this is S, blue S. Where does S? S for sun. Good job. It's a pencil. Good job. V. Say V. V. Yeah, V. Valerie, like Gamma's name. V. Good job. This is E for egg. E. Say E. Good job. O. Can you say O? Good job. O. God, you melt my heart so much. You melt my heart so much. Good job, my love. O. O. Good job. It's been so chilly out today. There has been no sun. It's been so cloudy, and the sunset is just starting to peek over the mountains, which is what I love to see. Look at it. It's just peeking up right over there. It's not as bright as usual because it's a very, very, very cloudy day today. Just can't wait for summer, even though the sun is not gonna set until late, but at least I won't have all these clouds. But
Mama.
yes, baby, he's here enjoying outside. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, zoom zoom. Tyler loves looking out through the glass. That's one of my main reasons for not covering it. I changed my mind from covering it because if I cover it, it's going to block out all the view if you're sitting down. And yes, baby. Yes. Yes, you love outside, don't this little boy loves outside. He loves outside. When he's outside, he gets away completely. Zoom zoom. Beep beep. Beep beep. You're playing? Right about now, I need to go cook my husband's dinner. I need to cook babe dinner, but I don't want to cook his dinner too early because it's vegetables and I don't want it to be soggy and all that. I want him to have it fresh and crunchy, so I'm going to, it's a good time to cook dinner for him, and I'm also just going to cook dinner for myself. So let's go make dinner. So for dinner, I'm making some pureed pumpkin for Tyler. And then for babe and I, for a change, I am making some carrot and cauliflower, and I'm just blanching this a bit because I don't want to steam it. I preferred blanching it right now, so I'm blanching that for babe and I, and then we're gonna have that with some chicken breast, which I just cut up, wash and seasoned, and I'm gonna saute this. This black thing is oyster sauce, so I'm going to cook it in some oyster sauce with seasoning, and that should be good for dinner. My faithful faves will be happy to know that babe is actually having not just rice and potatoes and pasta. He's actually making an effort to eat vegetables, which I'm so proud of him. baby's actually home early today, and he's been having some one-on-one with Tyler because you know that he's home. He's home early before Tyler goes to sleep, so they're just there playing.
Hi guys, just home. I'm not gonna say earlier than usually, but it's just this last day I came back late. And you know, when you come home, I have 1 hour to spend with my son, so I'm just enjoying my time. And he's doing it so well. You know, when you don't see and you don't.
Oh, trust me, he and I played all day today.
And you come back and just
Oh yeah, oh yeah, he did it today, and he now knows how to do everything.
Good.
That clip is inserted earlier. He knows all his numbers now. He knows how to put all his numbers. He knows to put all his letters, and he knows all the fruits and the shapes and the animals, how to put them in. He just keep going over them now because I don't have any other learning things like this for him.
I just give him the 7.
And he knows where it's to go. Oh, and we were also on Instagram Live, you guys. If you don't follow us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. The link is down below in the description box, so you can get raw, unedited live footage of Tyler and also of us, but mostly of Tyler. So follow us on Instagram and follow us on Twitter. Both links are down below in the description box if you are on either of the two. And we're also on Facebook, but it's just my personal Facebook page. So yeah, it's just about Tyler bedtime, so I'm going to go ahead and give him a bath and put him to bed. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today, babe. The Jamaican expression for today is fiesty.
Fiesty, you festy.
Right.
You're festy.
Yeah. You know what that means? What did you just say?
I know.
You know what?
That you're festy.
Well, you got that one easy. You got that one easy, babe.
Ah, because I hear you always saying that.
Oh.
So I just figured out what it means.
Okay, there you have it, guys. That's Babe's spin on today's Jamaican expression. Make sure you guys go ahead and catch up with the expression for today. Why are you naked riding the horse? Huh? Why are you naked riding the horse? Let's go have a bath, baby.
Wow, when you need Playtime for d'accord? Fais de beaux rêves?
Look. Say bye-bye. Look.
Bye-bye.
Give me a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Love you. Have a good night, okay?